guys, so if you are unable to log into iCloud and you are entering the correct ID and password and you are unable to enter it into iCloud in your MacBook, then here are the fixes. First of all, if you are using any VPN, try to disconnect that VPN. And if you are not using any VPN, just try to install a VPN and use it. Okay, so you have to just install a VPN, because sometimes what happens that whatever IP you are using, that may be suspected as a spam IP on Apple server. So using a VPN, or if you're using a VPN, trying to disable it and using your original IP will fix your issue. Try disabling the multi-factor authentication. Okay, so if you have multi-factor authentication enabled and you have an older MacBook, just go to your email where they have sent you the link for the multi-factor authentication to enable. Just go to that link, click on that link and disable it. Okay, now if this is also not working, what you can do, you can just try restarting your router or checking your internet connection. Okay, one more thing you can do, command and space keychain access and open it. Click on keychain access, click on settings, and here click on reset default keychains and then restart, and then see whether your issue gets resolved or not. Another thing which you can do is to try rebooting in safe mode and then try logging to it and see whether this issue is actually related to any third-party software which is hindering it. Okay, now if this is also not working, what you can do, you can just click on Apple menu, click on system settings and click on your profile ID, scroll down, click on sign out, and after that sign in back again. Okay, and then after that, once you sign in back again, just try to sign in into your iCloud. So these are the methods with which you can fix this issue. Thanks for watching. Please do like,